Hello everyone, today I will use this paper and some tomato sauce to create an artwork. In early childhood education, the use of materials play a crucial role in promoting children's creativity and immigration. The importance of creativity has always been a significant concept that has influenced me. When I touch these papers, I immediately visualize a flight from another universe that I have imagined since childhood. In this case, I use field papers of blue papers and white papers, a jar of ketchup, and a pair of scissors. Therefore, I begin to create the flagship of this flight. As I touch the papers, I vividly remember the joy and excitement that creating something novel and imaginative with simple materials brought me for the first time. Whether it was cutting shapes out of colored paper or staking papers to create different forms, using materials to create something from sketch has always been a source of inspiration and joy for me. At first, I folded the paper to make it easier to cut out of window decorations, which would be charities of my flagship. During the cutting process, the scissors cutting always give me a new idea about using these small paper pieces, and my thoughts were completely immersed in creating an artwork. After the cutting was complete, I used tomato sauce to color the cheese's red present hope in my mind. I used the red and its base color. The second paper flat was seeking hope. Next, I placed the cheese on top of my blue paper. The blue paper represents the bright universe. Since our lenses is from near to far, the globe also appears smaller. However, after I extended the cut of the battle shape, it didn't look that big. But when I put it on the black background, its size would be even more shocking. Then I cut out the body of a battleship from another blue paper, which looks as powerful as the universe behind it. At a small time, I created a 3-dimensional navigation sign for it. Since captain of my fleet is a cat, I also planned a cute sun with a bush. The inspiration for the sun came from my captain cat, who is intelligent and innocent. The sun would be emitted infrared light, and its red light could penetrate the entire universe. After that, I fold the paper a powerful source of another bottle shape, which would be the main power source of the flagship. Therefore, I kept more space during the fold process, which would make it more spacious and able to carry more energy. Finally, I use these paper scraps. The blue ones represent the escoped shape, while the white ones represent the trickling stars in the universe. The alternating arrangement of blue and white paper scraps makes the fleet more orderly, and the journey is still continually. Just like our creativity and imagination never stop. I also hope that everyone can find their lost imagination and the pursuit of spiritual things from this artwork. Lesson our children education.